Well, remember when I said the stuff about plan A, B, C? I'm up to about F. But as you can see, got the frame out. I used my stand for the back. I actually had to cut it off again. When I found out that this thing was balanced kind of towards the middle, I knew I could get, if I got the back up high enough, or if I got the whole thing up just high enough, I wouldn't have to add that 4 or 5 inches for the 4x4. So I could roll this thing forward, move the jack stands around, roll it out from underneath it. Actually worked pretty good. So now I'm just gonna put the tires back on this thing so I can roll it outside and do a lot of pressure washing. All right, so it's about 45 degrees. Wind's blowing. It's miserable outside. Can't think of a better time than to do some pressure washing, right? So obviously got the frame rolled outside. Got it soaked in some cleaner for a little while. And we're gonna fire the pressure washer and see if we can do some cleaning. Well, that wasn't fun. Feet are soaking wet, but it had to be done. So now I need to get the exhaust off. I'm probably going to pull these brackets off for the transmission transfer case cross member, because I know they're pretty rusty, but everything else looks pretty good. Hopefully these will come off without much issue. Wow. There we go. Now we could get somewhere. Let that hang out under there. put it in some cleaner. Well, you can see what I'm going to be doing the next few minutes. Well, I got the power steering pump here. I had to take all the hoses and stuff off to remove all of that from the frame to separate the two, frame and the body. And keeping in line with everything else, might as well take it apart, clean it up, paint it up, and put it back together. Unlike the power steering pump pulleys that I normally work on, they have a groove in here and a tool that goes in there and pulls everything apart. Well, this one's a little bit different. Try to get it kind of straight. Yeah, we're moving. Nope. Some rust be gone. One gonna get it. Oh yeah. Let all this stuff soak a while. Clean it all up.